Imagine you have a ticket to the moon. Not just any ticket, but a ticket on a private spaceship. How much would you be willing to pay for that experience? This is the question we're diving into today. How much is a spaceship actually worth? Space tourism is on the rise. Companies like SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and Blue Origin are leading the charge, making it possible for ordinary people to experience the thrill of space travel. But with this new frontier comes a pressing question: how do we value these extraordinary machines? To answer this, let's explore a few key factors that influence a spaceship's value. Factor 1: Technology and innovation. Spaceships are marvels of engineering. They incorporate cutting-edge technology, from advanced propulsion systems to life support systems. The more innovative and sophisticated the technology, the higher the value. Think about it: a spaceship with reusable rockets, autonomous landing capabilities, and state-of-the-art materials is going to be worth more than one with outdated technology. Factor 2: Mission capabilities. A spaceship's value also depends on its mission capabilities. Can it simply reach low Earth orbit, or can it travel to the Moon, Mars, or even beyond? The farther it can go and the more complex the missions it can undertake, the more valuable it becomes. For example, a spaceship designed for lunar exploration would be worth more than one designed for suborbital flights. Factor 3: Market demand. Like any product, a spaceship's value is influenced by market demand. If there's a high demand for space travel, then spaceships will be more valuable. Conversely, if demand is low, their value will decrease. Factors like economic conditions, cultural trends, and technological advancements can all impact market demand for space travel. Factor 4: Brand and reputation. The brand and reputation of the company that built the spaceship also play a role in determining its value. A spaceship built by a well-established and respected company is likely to be worth more than one built by a less-known or less reputable firm. Think of it like luxury cars. A Ferrari or a Rolls-Royce is generally worth more than a less prestigious brand, even if they have similar features. Real-world examples. Now let's look at some real-world examples. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket is one of the most valuable spaceships on the market. It's reusable, reliable, and has been used for a variety of missions, from launching satellites to transporting astronauts to the International Space Station. Virgin Galactic's Spaceship 2 is another valuable spaceship, although its focus is on suborbital space tourism. Despite not reaching orbit, it has generated significant interest and has the potential to become a profitable venture. So, how much is a spaceship worth? The answer is, it depends. Factors like technology, mission capabilities, market demand, and brand reputation all play a role in determining a spaceship's value. As the space industry continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and valuable spaceships emerge. Only time will tell how much these extraordinary machines will be worth in the future. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.